Good morning, dear students. It is the chapter 2 for computer students, actually, class 10 CBSE instant messaging. We have just discussed session 1 and session 2 for networking fundamental, internet, types of internet, device needful in the internet. Now, the session 3, we are just discussing about the instant messaging. Instant messaging means to send a message through and forth. If somebody has sent you a message, you are just reply him or her at the same time. Like you are just replying a person with the Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Gmail through chatting, any other. So instant messaging is a software by which you can chat with other person with the help of typing text. Also you can make a video call. So instant messaging is a real-time communication with the user at the other end. Most instant messaging use client-server model where messages from a user are first sent to the server and then forwarded to the intended recipients. One of the first popular IM programs was ICQ. It means ICQ. Okay, to use instant messenger services, one must download the software and then create an account. Like you download WhatsApp and then create your account. Like you download the Facebook Messenger, you create your account. And then the most popular and widely used instant messaging application is WhatsApp. Okay, all of you are very aware with the WhatsApp. Okay. Advantage: it is faster than any other mode of communication. Okay, user can connect to IM regardless of their location. Multiple user can communicate through a virtual conferencing. Okay, user cannot only send messaging but can attach and exchange electronic files, also make a video call. And instant messaging services. Now second one is the instant messaging services. Application based and web based. There are two. First one application based, second is web based. Application based, these software are downloaded and installed on the user device. For example, you download Hangout, Skype for video calling, Yahoo Messenger for chatting and video calling. Web based, second one, these software are used on the browser itself and cannot be downloaded or installed like Buddy, like Yahoo Messenger, like Windows Live Messenger. These are the software which Windows download automatically. Google Hangout is an instant messaging communication application developed by Google. It replaces the Google Talk and Google Chat. Google Hangout replaces both Google Talk and Google Chat. Okay, download Google Hangout. How do you download the Google Hangout the software? So first of all, open the Chrome browser, type download Hangout. Okay, student. From the display result, click on the appropriate link, so you will get the Hangout link. The information about Google Hangout will be displayed in a pop-up window. Click on the Add to Chrome. The Add Google Hangout dialog box appear. Click on the Add extension and the Google Hangout window will be displayed for signing in. You can sign in, so you can create your account. Okay, student. By creating your account, you can just make a chatting, etc. Next one is the setting the option. Inside the Google Hangout, we will just setting the option. So click on the hamburger symbol. Okay, student. At the top left corner of the window will bring up the option setting screen as shown in the this one actually. Status setting. The first section allow the user to set the status. The box here allow the user to type in message which will be visible to the content. Okay, student. Now notification setting. Notification you just get above the screen, above the desktop. You get also notification message from WhatsApp, from Google, from Facebook. Okay, so you can enable and disable the notification setting. So notification setting means the notification can be turned off if the user does not want it to be distributed by the beep of the incoming messages. You can also turn off the tone for the messaging. Okay. Other Hangout setting can be customized as per choice by enabling the option boxes visible on the screen. So dear student, these are all the instant messaging type software like Yahoo, like Hangout, like Skype, like Yahoo Messenger, like Buddy. So by this we can chat. We can instant message means reply at the same platform. Somebody has sent you a message with WhatsApp, you will reply with WhatsApp. somebody has sent you the message with Skype video call, so you should have to log in the Skype. So first of all you have to need to install this application based. Okay, some of web based, so browser will automatically install only, like Google Talk, Google Chat. Okay, so students, this is very important, instant messaging session 3 for chapter 2. Thank you and have a nice day.